Oh, doctor, I think she wants patience. Whoa! Mirror ನೋಡ್ದೆ ಹಂಗೆ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ಗೆ.
You say my name like a warning sign, like I'm a headline crossing a line. Every whisper behind.
Keep it simple, you can't make everyone happy. Quote of the day. That's what I needed early in the morning, man. That's what I wanted. Oh, doctor, I think she wants patience. She's not getting a lot of business. I mean, patience. What do you tell her, man? If you suddenly just come to the rest like that.
A few moments later.
See these creatures. Whoa! ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹುಷಾರಾಗಿ ಓಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಓಡಿಸಿ.
It was at this moment he knew. He fucked up.
ಅಂಕಲ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮಿರರ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಮಿರರ್ ನೋಡಿದೆ ಹಂಗೆ ಬಂದರೆ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ಗೆ. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮಿರರ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಏನಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಅಷ್ಟು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲ್ಲ ಮಿರರ್ ನೋಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಅಂತ. ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರಿ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ಗೆ. Happens to the best of us, but yeah, it's funny. Wow. Like, the amount of confidence he had, man. I genuinely needed confidence in life. Even if I'm right, I'm not that confident sometimes. And he's telling me, yeah, it's okay. Some people make mistakes. Go. Huh. Man, these auto guys have a lot of confidence.
Six hours later.
We've been trying to contact you regarding your car's extended warranty.
The sleep rider. Whoa, look at it. Look at that. Oh, I forgot to turn off high beam. See, this is how chain accidents happen. The other guy came. He didn't have mirrors. He just turned. He was talking to the person behind. Even he was distracted. But he did see in time and then stop. So you can't blame both the bikes, man.
Bonus.
Damn, man, that looks crazy. The Brabus G-Wagon. That tinted windows, the matte black. Oh my god. Very nice. Ooh, the front looks really nice. Whew.